This is an introduction to Cerner SkyVue, the new integrated viewer for radiology imaging. You can access the SkyVue Worklist by clicking on the skull icon on the main Cerner page. This will use the same logon as PowerChart, so you will have one less password to remember. When you first launch SkyVue Worklist, you may get a blank viewer launching on top of the screen. Just close or minimize this viewer to get to the worklist. This is a SkyVue Worklist, where you can select patients from a variety of worklist filters, including choosing a nurse unit. You can also set your date and range of days. We recommend setting this to 1 or 2 days to minimize loading times. Click on the As Of button to refresh the worklist. From here, select your patient and go to the Imaging Orders section and select the study you would like to view. Once you select your study, you will be able to see the radiologist's report and the requisition details for the order. You can launch the study by double-clicking on the order or clicking on the View Image button. This will launch the SkyVue viewer. The viewer starts with 2 default mouse tools. Left-clicking and dragging the mouse will activate the window level tool, while right-clicking and dragging will activate the zoom tool. A double left click will expand the image to full screen, and double click again to return to the main view. You will also have access to a variety of tools from the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. A single right click on the image will open the quick access tools. If you would like to view comparison images, you can add the history gadget by going up to the workspace gadgets, and adding the history gadget. It will load in the bottom of the screen, but it is recommended to move it to the right side by clicking and dragging it until the white box goes all the way from the top to the bottom. You can adjust the size of this history gadget along with all other gadgets by resizing them. From the history gadget, you can find the study you would like to open and just double click on it to add it to the viewer. You can also use a grid tool to expand the number of viewports so you can view the series side by side. You can either activate a viewport and click on the series you would like to view, or drag the series down into the appropriate viewport. If you would like to return to one viewport, you can close one and the other will expand to take its place. This has been your introduction to SkyVue.